Hello, welcome again. In next part, I will explain what is the working and what are the advantages, disadvantages, and applications of electronic warfare. In first part, you can watch my first part about definition, introduction, and history of electronic warfare. So, in history, Cold War, both the United States and the Soviet Union developed advanced electronic warfare systems. In Cold War, anyone knows about Cold War. Cold War, both the United, this war between United States of America and the Soviet Union, Russian government developed advanced electronic warfare system. Post Cold War, electronic warfare continues to evolve with the development of new technologies such as electronic countermeasures and electronic countermeasures. After Cold War, electrons will continue to develop with new technologies such as electronic countermeasures, electronic protections. Okay. Today, electronic war is a crucial or essential part of modern warfare used by militaries around the world because this is a major advantage of electronic warfare. We can protect our people and we can easily attack on our enemies when they fight with us because this is a very crucial and very essential part of us. If uh, if we can easily live, this is the through of electronic warfare. So this is the essential part of modern warfare used by militaries around the world. Now we are moving on introduction. Electronic warfare is critical part of modern warfare and it is used by militaries around the world. It is used in militaries around the world. The electromagnetic spectrum all around us, it includes radio waves, microwaves. I have already described about electromagnetic spectrum. What is the electromagnetic spectrum? The electromagnetic spectrum is meant by when we specify the rays of waves in terms of frequency and wavelength. That is called electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, electronic warfare system use electromagnetic energy to disrupt or disable enemy electronic systems. Why we use electronic warfare? We use electromagnetic energy to disrupt or destroy or disable enemy electronic system. This can be done by jamming enemy communication. What is the jamming? Jamming is the sending of a false information to the enemies to the opposite radar. This is the definition of jamming. Jamming is the false information. Okay, this is the concept of jamming. Blinding, we can blinding enemy for using jamming and jamming enemy radar or deceiving. It means we can deceive easily opposite radar. Electron warfare can also be used to protect friendly forces from enemy electron warfare attacks. It can use for protect our friendly forces. This can be done by using a variety of techniques such as jamming enemy electronic attack signals or using directional antennas to focus friendly signals away from the enemy electron attack systems. The electromagnetic spectrum is a vast and complex resource that is used by a wide range of military and civilian systems. Electronic warfare systems operated by exploiting the vulnerabilities of the system of these systems in order to gain an advantage in a battle. For example, an electronic warfare system could be used to jam an enemy radar system, preventing it from tracking friendly aircraft, or an electronic warfare system could be used to intercept and decrypt enemy communication, revealing valuable intelligence. I hope you all have gotten my point. This is the introduction of electronic warfare. We use electromagnetic energy or spectrum by using low frequency or we can use almost low frequency. I have already described in the previous part. Okay, so we said electromagnetic signal for attacking, protecting, or supporting. What is meant by supporting? Supporting means to sense or detect or gather information of opposite radar. This is the electronic support. Electromagnetic spectrum is a vast and complex field that is used by a wide range of military and civilian systems. So this was our introduction. Now I am moved to working principle of electronic warfare. Electronic warfare systems work by transmitting electromagnetic energy at the same frequency as the enemy systems that they are trying to attack or disrupt. It means we will disrupt opposite signals, then we can easily attack on other party or other radar, opposite radar. This can be done using a variety of techniques such as jamming, spoofing, and deception. I have already described what is jamming. Spoofing and deception. Spoofing means we can protect ourselves, and deception we means we can destroy enemies missiles or enemies aircrafts or enemies waves. Okay, this was working principle of electron warfare. There are three components, there are three principles, there are three part of the electron warfare. Electron countermeasures, these involve jamming enemy radar communication system and navigation system to disrupt their functioning. When we use electronic countermeasures, when we want to attack on our enemy, then we use electronic countermeasures. This is called electronic attacks by using jamming signals or false information. Okay, what is the process of the jamming? There are two types of jamming. First one is the mechanical jamming, or second one is electronic jamming. In mechanical or passive jamming, we use hardware components or physical. There is a physical existence of devices. This first one is chase, corner reflector, decoy. These are the hardware devices which is used for sending false information to enemies. This is the very crucial and very important of jamming. Okay, and chase. This is called. This is a chase. This is chase. You can see easily aircraft is emitting jets when opposite radar send to signal for attacking on this aircraft. Then this aircraft will send these jets, and other opposite radar understand these jets are high electronic components, are high aircraft, large aircraft. Then opposite radar attacks on this. This is sending of a false information. Okay, and this is aircraft reflector corner. So this is called a reflector corner. When opposite radar send the signal, when signal reaches on this part, it will boost to this part and it will move on this part. When signal will move to outside, then signal will boost automatically because they collide with three part of this reflector corner. Then signal will boost automatically and automatically stand to opposite radar, and opposite radar understand this is the largest vehicle or largest aircraft. Then opposite radar attacks on this, but opposite radar does not understand this is the reflector corner, because this is the component reflector corner we are used for sending false information or jamming signal. This is the working principle of electron warfare. And third component is this is